Hello guys, in today's video I will tell you about ZenBusiness and Incfiles and of course answer the question, which one is better? Let's dive in. So starting with ZenBusiness, ZenBusiness of course is a general program that offers you a free plan, of course also 30 minutes of tax advising, 60-day money back guarantee, and of course a very free compliance service for a whole year. It looks like a great service, it has a lot of great reviews and everything, but of course the problem is add-ons can get pricey. Yes, starter is great, but it has plus state fees and everything, and then pro and premium plans can be pricey for some people, and of course registered agent services are really expensive. On the other hand, Incfile has a free year of registered agent services on all plans, really high ratings from past customers, and they offer 3 competitive LLC plans. But the problem here is that they are not BBB accredited. 24-hour processing is only on the highest plan, so no good parts for the lowest plans, and their business contact templates only on the highest plan again. So yes, if you are not on the highest plan, it might be a little problematic. So we will go over every single one of these things and make sure which one is the best. Both ZenBusiness and Incfile have of course LLC formation plans starting at $0, but however the Incfile's free plan comes with a unique set of features. So yes, for the free plan, Incfile might be a little better, but when it comes to paid plans, ZenBusiness's LLC services stand out for the premium services and the general money back guarantee. The refund applies only to service fees and not state fees, but still, it's really good. In contrast, Incfile stands out for the customer service and no upfront costs. Across review sites like Trustpilot and everything, the provider is consistently praised for the knowledgeable and friendly customer service and of course representativeness. Like we said in general, while ZenBusiness prices are higher than Incfile's, its premium features Incfile does not have, such as CPA consultations, the 60-day money-back guarantee, complimentary annual report fillings, and filing deadline alerts, and the mobile app. However, of course, you will get a better bang for your buck with Incfile. If you're on a budget, Incfile might be a little better. Its free LLC formation plan includes a free year of registered agent services, and of course next day business filings. And its paid plans include many features that you need to pay extra on ZenBusiness. It also has an excellent user review base that repeatedly mention great customer support. So yes, Incfile is great for startups that want few upfront costs and essential business formation services with friendly support. But other than that, if you are already a big business and you want to make sure you are getting the best of the best, you might wanted to go about with the ZenBusiness part. Other than that, if you're a new business that wants to start from somewhere and grow bigger, Incfile might be the better option for you. Other than that, that was all. We hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. In any other case, we hope to see you in the next video as well. Have a great day and goodbye.